Captain Chris Knapp with Blue Water Cruising Boats, and today we have a 2014 Fountaine Pajot Lipari 41. Her name is Breathing Room. She has been a mostly one-owner boat her whole life. She lived most of her life in the Florida Keys. She is ready for her next adventure. Let's jump on board and take a look. Breathing Room is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, or as we like to say, 3-stateroom, 2-head owner's version. So the whole starboard hull is going to be for your owners. We have 2 guest suites on the port side, along with a shared head. Take a look out here at the cockpit, and then we'll head inside. Plenty of room for entertaining your entire crew, with easy access to the helm. Your cockpit does come with a complete weather enclosure. Let me go pull it off so you can see how open it is. From up here, you have a great view. Sight lines for all the corners, your sail. We do have a Dodger right here with isinglass, full bimini enclosure up top here, and it even has a sunscreen on the back. Very nice setup. She does feature a full suite of Garmin electronics, Volvo 29 horsepower diesel engines with just over 900 hours per engine. We've got 2 manual winches here, and the winch on the end there is power. All your lines do come back to the helm here. Here's your view from the helm. Let's go inside and take a look at the salon. This door does open all the way. So you got nice big access for your inside and your outside. As you come inside here, you'll notice your galley, double sink, trash right there, microwave, storage, television, fans throughout, gas stove top, lots of storage underneath here. You have a navigation station with all of your controls for your 12 volt and your 110. She does have a Northern Lights generator, 7 kilowatt, just over 1,400 hours on that. Runs great. You can't feel this because it's a video, but it is ice cold in here with this air conditioning. They got 3 air conditioners and they all work great. As we turn over here to the starboard side, you'll see the nice table area for sitting and dining. You do have 2 refrigerator drawers and separate freezer right up here. Let's go take a look at the owner's suite down here on the starboard side of the boat. As we step down into the owner's suite, you'll see we have a queen size bed along with lots of cabinets, space for sitting and working. And then we have these full-size hanging lockers. Let's take a look at those. So here we've got one of the full-size hanging lockers. Lots of space in there. Storage space there. Full-size hanging locker there. As we move forward, we'll go into the master head. Nice electric toilet. These are set up for saltwater or freshwater. Sink, and then a nice big standalone shower here. I'm 5'10", for those of you that need to know. So we probably got 6'2" clearance or so here. And we do have access to our extra storage in the front there. As we head over to the port side, I want you to notice just how good a condition the floors are in this vessel. In my opinion, one of the nice features of this vessel is that the headliner is not all the soft materials that can get wet and get damaged. This is a hard fiberglass, easy to wipe down to keep clean, very owner friendly. In the port side hull, we're going to have 2 guest suites along with another head. Let's take a look. Go take a look at the aft cabin first. As you'll see, another queen size bed back here. Lots of storage underneath this bed. This is also where the Northern Lights generator is located. And then we'll come inside and we'll give you a quick tour, a quick pivot. Again, we have another standalone shower. We got a shower curtain that comes through right here. Again, I'm 5'10", so you can see you've got over 6 foot of clearance here. And it's a nice large bathroom for a 40-foot vessel. Take a look at the forward port side cabin. So as you can see right now, we do have the head sail down, along with this is the Dodger and the Bimini top. I wanted to leave the front door open there so you can see how much extra storage you have up there. Got life jackets, life sling, some extra fuel containers. This boat at the moment is put away for hurricane season as it's coming upon us. Speaking of hurricanes, this boat has never ever been in a hurricane or had any hurricane damage ever. Let's go around to the front of the vessel. So as we come up the starboard side, you will notice that you do have a large double helm. Easily fits 2 adults, adult and a couple of children. Very comfortable. And again, make sure to look at all the pictures we've got on the listing as we've got this full Bimini up in the pictures. You'll notice as I walk around here, I don't struggle to get through. There's plenty of width, there's plenty of walkway. Some boats you're grabbing this and swinging in. Not so on this. Lots of wide open space. The texture is very nice on your feet. Just a nice open layout for a boat of this size. We've got a nice trampoline, big huge hatch for our windlass and our anchor. And it is electric up and electric down. Lots of room for your lines and fenders and fishing gear and poles. Very comfortable, soft trampoline. Again, we've taken our head sail down because of it's being hurricane season. Princess seats, dolphin chairs in the front for both sides. Just a nice open space. You can put some pads up here. You could do some beanbag chairs. Be a nice spot to have a nice sundowner. For access up to the boom, we've got a nice step here. Up you go. Again, textured all the way along the front here, so it's lots of grip. Sail bag, easy access. I can reach the whole thing without having to work too hard. It's just a very user-friendly boat, this boat. We do have 2 solar panels up here at 140 watts each for a total of 280. And you will see there's your traveler connected to the hardtop. Sail bag and boom. Again, very easy to get into. Very good condition. Very nice. As we come around the port side here, again, you'll see that there's lots of space for me to walk. No reason to duck my head. I have nice, sturdy handholds. Just a lot of open space. Easy to maneuver and get around on this boat for sure. She does come with a Wally hard tender, along with a Tohatsu 4-stroke 9.8 horsepower. So this boat model is a 2014. In 2018, a lot of these Volvos had recalls due to emissions issues, and they went from a 20 horsepower diesel and they got repowered to the 29 horsepower diesel. All done at Volvo's expense. With this cockpit, the hard cover is a huge bonus. You've got the solar out here, which provides extra shade along this nice walkway. Again, plenty of room to move. The power on this boat is dual 30. This is a 110 boat, 60 hertz. So if you're staying in the US, it is all set up and ready to go.